Someone is promising you 6 figures, and when it doesn't work out, what they're going to tell you? The job market has changed. Now, I'm not saying they're all liars. I'm sure there's a success story that was true, maybe in Silicon Valley. But if you're in Atlanta, that may not work for you. They might be telling you to go get a certification, but that certification in the market you're in is oversaturated. Security Plus, unless you plan on working for federal government, moving to the DMV area, that may be worthless by you. Yes, it's considered the S tier, God tier, CISSP, PMP, Scrum Master, all these certs people are flashing. But if you don't have the right skill set, if you're not in the right location, it may not work for you. It's just, you just wasted your time and money again and again. And now you're feeling the depression. And now it's weighing on your mental health because no one wanted to tell you the truth, that they lied to you. I'm sorry, they didn't lie. They just omitted the truth that you had no chance where you were, where you live, that the market near you was saturated, and what you should do instead. Don't beat yourself up over it. I've been there too. I'm still there. If I was desperate to get a job tomorrow, I will be online looking to see what I can do to level up. And I've been in situations where I contemplated spending hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on certification, or maybe going back to school for another degree. So I've been there, and with the market being trash, the AI revolution is here. AI is replacing jobs. People are saying there's going to be a bubble burst, that this is all hype, this AI hype. That may be true. While most big projects are failing because AI is still premature on a large scale, guess what? When things turn around, who are they going to hire? What do you think your competition is coming to the table with? You think they're coming to the table with basic customer service experience? That may be good for getting your foot in the door in the help desk. But if you're trying to support a family and earn $75,000, $90,000 a year or more to support your family, that's not going to cut it. The person they're going to give it to is the one who is open to learning AI. They're going to give it to the person who went above and beyond to train themselves. They're going to the person who understands the full business needs, the life cycles. The person is hungry and passionate to do more for the company. And while you're arguing in the comments over AI bubble this, what you should do that, that's worthless. You should just do this. You should just do that. You women this. You black people that. While you're sitting there arguing in the comments, meanwhile, hundreds of thousands of people are going to lose their jobs this year. We only got 90 days left to the end of the year. What are you going to do in this time? I want to hear from the people who are building right now. I want to hear from you. What are you working on right now? What got you stuck? What are the lies that you feel like you're being told right now? You don't need to spend waking up in the middle of the night, scratching your head wondering, what am I going to do now? I sat for this cert. They told me the CompTIA trifecta. I got that. I got the trinity of the certs. I got the degrees. I went back to school for cybersecurity. I went back to school for data analytics. I went back and got the Google Data Analytics certificate, because you got to be careful. You can't call a certification a certificate and vice versa. Either way, it's costing you money. It's costing you time, effort. It's costing you your mental health. And while the job market sucks right now, you need to be focusing on your wellness, because this is the perfect time for the people who want to see you fail and for you to fall into that trap, to be stuck online arguing with people, to be in your bed depressed, drinking when you should be in the gym, bickering when you should be in therapy. And this is going to sound harsh, but I'm going to say it. You might be thinking the system is broken, when in actuality, the system is working as designed. You're not the one that's failing. You're the one being failed. They failed you, but we're not going to go into doomsday mode. We're going to lock in.